Hello, this is Mr. Nemo. We're going to go over our homework today from Ms. Suarez's class. Um, some of us were having some trouble with projecting or creating our square. So to begin, first of all, we have to make the square. So starting the spot right here, first we have to find the slope of this line. So I would pretend I'm walking, or as a car would go. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to go over 1. So starting at either this point or this point, all we have to do is go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, many people were saying, which direction do I go? Well, if I go this direction and I draw my line, whoops, is that going to be 90 degrees? I would hope most people are saying, no, that's not 90 degrees, Mr. Nemo. So that means we know we have to go, whoops, sorry about that. We have to go this way. Now, if I draw my line, is that 90 degrees? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, I'm sorry. I only went 4. I need to go 5. 1, 2, whoop, eraser again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. Mrs. Buen is watching me and she corrected me, so thank goodness she's here. So starting over this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1. Draw our line, and then now we just play a little game of connect the dots. Now there's our square, but we're not done. We need to make a square around that square so that we can find the area. So starting at any one of the points, there's a point, there's a point, there's a point, there's a point. We're just going to draw a straight line. So where's it at? There it is. So I'm going to go straight down until I come to this line where the other point is. Now I'm going to go straight over until I come to this line where that point is. Now I'm going to go straight up until I come to the line where that point is, and then straight over till I hit that point. Now in the black box is the one where we can find the area. So how do we find that? Well, we count how big it is. So it's starting at any corner. I'll just start right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we already know it's a square, so the other sides are 6. So we take a 6 by 6, which is the length, times the width, which is area, or in the case of a square, it's just 6 squared, and we know that the area is 36. So the area of the big square is 36, but we want to find the little square, the blue one on the inside, so we have to take and get rid of these little triangle pieces here, right? There's one there, there's one there, there's one there. Hopefully y'all realize, oh yeah, that's right, there's 4. And there's one over here. So we take the area of the 36, we subtract our 4 triangles, and then we have to also subtract the area of those triangles, which we know the area of a triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. So it's going to be something times something. How do we find it out? Well, we start with this one right here, and we count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so it's 5 high, and the base is a step of 1. All I did was go boop right there. So that's 1. So now we need to figure out, what is 5 times 1? 5 times 1 is 5. Half of 5 is 2.5. But now we have to multiply the 4 into that. So we multiply the 4 here, and times 4 we get 10. So you can check it with your calculators. Make sure I'm not making a mistake. But so now we're left with 36 minus 10, which is 26. So the area of the blue square, this one in here, the big blue square, is 26, but we're not done yet. That's just the area. Now we have to find the length of the side. Well, we all know, or hopefully we're starting to understand, that when you want to find the length of a side, you have to take the square root of the area. So what is the square root of 26? Well, I have no idea. I'm not a human calculator. And if it's not a perfect square, we leave it as such. So the answer for side length from here to here is square root 26. Now I know it's kind of ugly looking, and maybe you'll have to do the other segments, the red one and the green one, on a different sheet of paper, or erase, or try to use different colors. But nobody said it was easy, but just keep practicing, rewind the video, watch how I did it again, and good luck to you, and thank you for tuning in.